Hi, and welcome to my guide.
Today I'll be showing you how to make a drunk dragon cocktail. For the ingredients, you need a cocktail glass, a cocktail shaker, some vodka, some gin, pineapple for pineapple chunks, pot of cream, and blueberries. Since we're using humanized and we're making a gnome cocktail, let's change equipment. And now we're ready. So we'll be starting by clicking the gnome shaker and adding the ingredients into the gnome shaker, which will be 20 mils of vodka, and 20 mils of gin, then we add the blueberries. But since we're making a modern version that's actually drinkable in these days, I planned ahead. And mashed some blueberries up. Let's add the mixture to the cocktail shaker. Then shake it on. Once shaking, you gotta pour it into the cocktail glass. I prefer to strain the bits out. You don't have to do it. Then to finish it up, we cut the pineapple into pineapple chunks. Take your pineapple chunks, add it to the mixture. Make sure they're juicy enough, otherwise use some pineapple juice. Gonna make it blue with some blue curacao. Add your cream. I'll be cheating today. Let's finish up with some pineapple. Yes. Now all we have to do is cook it on the range. Since I don't have a range, I'll be cheating again. And there you go. Your drunk dragon is ready.
Let's try. Woo!
That's actually good. Nice.